Hey guys, Planet Green Zen, and thank you for coming to this channel. Do you guys know who Napoleon Hill is? He had acquired great knowledge and wisdom during his time, and he wanted the world to know that. So today's video is on wisdom of Napoleon Hill. But before we get into that, if you guys have never been to this channel, what I'd love to do is just inspire the world holistically, just to have a balance mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially. Because if we do that, we can abolish hunger, famine, slavery, have more health and wealth together, and just live as one human unit on this planet. So if you guys believe in similar messages, go ahead and let me know, subscribe, share, comment, and let's get started. Alrighty guys, so today's video is actually on the wisdom of Napoleon Hill. And if you guys don't know who Napoleon Hill is, he actually wrote a book called Think and Grow Rich, which is very popular back in, I believe, 1929 or somewhere in that range. And the book Think and Grow Rich, what it focused on is that Napoleon Hill interviewed 500 of the most successful people during his lifetime. And he wrote a philosophy on success. It was the very first book written on success. And that book has helped millions of people accomplish dreams and desires and actually become even millionaires. So if you have not read Think and Grow Rich, I definitely recommend reading Think and Grow Rich. So today we're going to dive into one of Napoleon Hill's quotes, because again, he had so much wisdom and knowledge that he acquired from over 500 people, that he actually had a lot of quotes out there that he actually came up with. So today we're going to focus on one of those quotes. Positive and negative emotions cannot occupy the mind at the same time. One or the other must dominate. It is your responsibility to make sure that the positive emotions constitute dominating influence of your mind. So what do you guys think that means? How would you break that down? Again, we have two thoughts, positive and negative, and they cannot occupy the space at the same time. It's like two people trying to go to a very narrow door at the same time. They're going to get stuck. It's not going to happen. So one has to let the other one go in front of them. That's the same thing when it comes to having positive and negative thoughts. So if we want to think about it, there's actually another saying, if you guys have ever heard, like a wise Native American man. He was speaking to his grandson and told him the story of the two wolves, the wolf of fear and the wolf of confidence. Again, I'm paraphrasing here. Grandson did ask his granddad which one actually wins, and the granddad said, whichever one you feed. So whether you feed the wolf of fear or the wolf of confidence, that's the one that will win. And the same thing goes into what Napoleon Hill is saying. So if you have positive, negative thoughts, you can only have one or the other. You can't have both. So most people dwell on the negative, and they let those consume their thoughts and their emotions, which leads to chemical imbalance, which also can lead to health problems. And then everything there again, so like the law of attraction, you think about negative things, you attract more negative people and things into your life. Well, if you let the positive actually take over and consume, you have more wealth and health and actually be happier and more friendly to people, more caring, and just have grace and discernment. So again guys, which one do you actually let win, the positive or the negative? I would love to hear you comment below on that. Alrighty guys, so again, that's why I always tell you to start journaling every day. Actually write down 3 to 5 things that you are grateful for every day, because that would actually help you start to develop that more positive way of thinking. And then if a negative thought does come into your mind, you would actually be more prone to actually eliminate it or be able to control that, because you're thinking of all the positive things that actually has happened to you that day or that week or that month. So again guys, please let your mind dominate with positive versus negative, and that will actually help you create a life of abundance and freedom. Okay, so this is Planet Green Zen. That's all I have for you guys today. And again, if you like this video, go ahead and comment below, share it out with people in your tribe who needs to hear these messages, and like the video, and again, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you get notified when new videos are out, just so you can share them with people and use some of that information to help you catapult to the next stage in your life or business. Planet Green Zen, and you guys have a great day.